2 weeks in the field, 3 bad reviews. What were the bad reviews for? Like, what did you
From my point, not being professional and not being polite, just not treating the customer how he should treat the customer.
do? Gotcha. Well, that's a good call. This is exactly what I was talking to you about, Mateo, before you decided to hire any help. Remember?
Yep.
Where, where
I
it's like,
learned that I learned.
yeah, I always say, like, I mean, Franco seems like he's doing okay. Like, he seems like he's doing good, but I always try to avoid hiring anybody too fast, because you just need to fill a role. And then hiring somebody that you're related to or that you're a close friend with, it just adds another layer of complexity to the relationship if they're not performing how you need them to perform. Because it's like you're hiring them for a job. But if there's anything outside of that, it gets kind of weird. But it seems like Franco's doing good. So,
Frank was doing good, and about the rest, there was a lot of lessons learned.
yeah,
A
yeah,
lot.
yeah, for sure. Um, cool. Well, yeah, I'm glad you're simplifying things. Hopefully you can be a little bit less stressed than you were. Because you came into a coaching call, I think, a few weeks back, and you're like scaling is supposed to be fun. Scaling is supposed to be more revenue, less problems, more jobs, and it's the exact opposite. And you learned, right? Like, everything comes from your tickets. If your tickets are bad, everything's bad. If your tickets are good, everything's good. So I'm glad you're scaling
Definitely.
back a little bit. Again, I
I
always
mean,
think since day one, Mateo, I think you can do way better than 350 as an average ticket. It's beyond me that you haven't been able to get past that. Like, there, for some reason, the ceiling's 350. Have you tried just making your prices higher, Mateo, or adding? Because I think one of the things we keep talking about is you only have like 3 services, right?
yes, so we are adding maybe more, but yes, that could be one of the reasons.
You said that would be one of the reasons.
Yes.
Gotcha. I'll kind of just refresh your mind a little bit, Mateo. But when it comes to, if you feel like you've hit a ceiling in your tickets, try your best to try these 2 things. Number one is add more services on to what you can help a homeowner out with, right? The more problems you can solve, the more money you're going to make. Simple as that. And if you find real problems that need real solutions, everything you did before you bring up the inspection, you should have established the relationship where they want you to take care of these things for them instead of somebody else. And the more items you have to bring to the surface, the more things they're going to want done, which leads to higher tickets. That's number one. And number two, simply just increase your prices, right? Just increase your prices. I say double them, right? Like, obviously have some common sense. If it's outrageously high for something that shouldn't be, make that call, but try doubling your revenue for things that are like around that $100 to $200 area and see how it goes. And you'd be shocked at how many people say yes. A lot of people say they have to bring their prices down because they want people to say yes, but it really is all up to what you've done before that makes them say yes or no, not just the price. Duct cleaning business owners. If you're struggling to reach your capacity and you can take on more jobs, but you don't know how, click the link below and we'll show you.